Alright, we're going to be doing a trade recap on this trade we took on NQ this morning. So yeah, let's get into it. So basically, to start off the morning around like pretty much this whole day we kind of been just like shopping around. It's not been the cleanest day. From 9:30 we've been kind of just consolidating, and then from about 10:20 we pushed up higher, pushed up above all these highs, taking out all this liquidity, and ended up taking this hourly high here, this New York high. Came up, take it. We're seeing strong rejection off of it. And I think we had a SMT here with NASDAQ and NQ and ES. So this high here, we took it on NQ, and I think on ES we didn't. As you can see, we left it open. So yeah, off of that, we came lower. We created this 5-minute bullish fair value gap. I wanted to see how price was going to react off of it, and as you can see, we displaced lower, closed below, inversed it, and we kind of just did, today was kind of like a choppy day, a little bit of a rough day today, but I was glad I was able to take a trade. And as you can see, price literally dumps down and then like wicks back up. So I wasn't trying to be a part of any of this price action, so I avoided all of this. I just stuck to the higher time frame and I just saw. And then we had this very small hourly fair value gap right here that I wanted to try to target. I think this was a 30-minute gap too, as well as a 30-minute gap, as you can see. So I wanted to see how price was going to react off this 5-minute. As you can see, inversed it and ended up going lower. And here we kind of chopped around here, but I saw this low on this 2-minute. I was like, okay, I was going to look if I can see some solid selling pressure. I was going to enter short off the close, the body low, close below. I was going to enter off the close, and we ended up getting clean selling lower, as well as creating like a nice 1-minute bearish fair value gap. So I was like, all right, entered shorts right here, right off the close, stops right above the gap. We also had this other gap right here too, this other 1-minute. So seeing that, entered right there, put my take profit at that hourly fair value gap, as well as this low, and then had a TP right here at this low. And as you can see, we ended up displacing nicely lower, taking out this low. I took some trims off at this low, and then left the rest for this hourly fair value gap. As you can see, price displaced much lower into 50% retracement. As you can see, displaced it nicely, tapped it, came up, just kind of playing around in this area. So pretty much this is the trade. Clean sweep on liquidity, 5-minute inverse, entered off the 2-minute body low candle below, or close below. And yeah, pretty clean trade, low risk. Not sure if I mentioned that. Pretty low risk trade, just because of all this just chop and just unpredictable price action. I think Trump was speaking here. That's what really did this, But I'm glad I was able to pull out a nice trade out of here. So yeah, that's pretty much the recap on this trade. A little bit later, 11:20 trade. So definitely lower risk for me. And yeah, nice good trade, and that's a trade recap. And if you'd like to join the Discord, everything is free. It's going to be in the link in the description. We have free callouts. You can ask for help, questions, all that. And yeah, that's pretty much it.